Hey guys, Jim here with Hercules DJ. We're talking about our brand new product, the DJControl Impulse T7. Now with the T7, we're really excited about this. It's going to be the new flagship for our lineup, the bigger brother to the Impulse 500. Now the new features on the Impulse T7, the biggest one is we have a 7-inch motorized platter. You can use any 7-inch vinyl. You got time code going through the spindle. You can use any slipmat. So this is a huge deal for us. It feels just like a real turntable, and that's what we're going after. That's why we call it the T7. The T for turntable, 7 for 7-inch. We've also added XLR outputs in the back. We have a wider 10-centimeter fader range for the tempo, just like you would find on a regular turntable. And we brought back a customer favorite on the T7, which is the retractable feet, just like we had on the Impulse 500 range. What's really cool about this unit too is we're going to have a replaceable fader available very soon. And this is going to be a $699 controller. So we're really excited. It's the new flagship from Hercules, the DJControl Impulse T7.